Welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss a very important concept in Android, which is the adapters. An adapter basically connects the user interfaces and the data source. According to the Android officials, an adapter object acts as a bridge between the adapter view and the data for that view. Android adapters basically provide access to the data items. The adapter is also responsible for making a view for each item in the data set. Whenever we want to bind some data, which we get from any data source, example, array list, hash map, SQL, databases, and etc., with a UI component, which is the ListView, GridView, and etc., then adapter comes into the picture. So in this project, I'll create a new list of view and we'll discuss what are the list of views, and we'll learn how to connect the list of view with the adapter and the data source. So for that, I'll create a new Android project, empty views activity, and I'll name it as adapters app. Click enter, and I'll start by defining a list view. A list view is a UI component that displays a scrollable list of items. It's a fundamental part of the Android user interface toolkit and is commonly used to display lists of text, images, or other view elements. A list view is particularly useful when you have a collection of data that needs to be presented in a vertical scrolling fashion. I'll make as the width as match parent and the height is match parent. I'll give it an ID, list view, and I'll click on it, infer the constraints, and it will fill the width and height of the parent. The items within the list view are presented by individual views. These can be simple text, image views, or even complex layouts containing multiple views. Each item view corresponds to a single entry in the list. Let's move to the main activity and make a reference for this list view. Start by list view, and Alt plus Enter to import the class of the list view from the Android.widget package. List view equal find view by ID, r.id.listView. Remember, the adapter acts as a bridge between the data source and the adapter view. This is the adapter view. The list view is the adapter view. The adapter view is a class in Android that provides a container to display a list of items or data in a scrollable view. It's part of the Android UI framework that acts as a holder for various types of adapter-based views like list view, grid view, spinner, and more. In this case, it's a list view. An adapter view is responsible for managing the display of items on the screen and handling user interactions with these items. For example, a list view is an adapter view that displays a vertical list of items that can be scrolled. So, in our case, the adapter view is a list view. This is the first step. We initialize the adapter view. We need a data source. So the second step is the data source. But what is the data source? The data source refers to the collection of data that you want to display using an adapter. It can be an array, a list, a cursor from a database, or any other data structure that holds the information you want to show on the screen. The data source is what the adapter takes as an input and transforms into views for display within the adapter view. For example, if you're displaying a list of names in a list view, the data source could be an array or a list containing those names. In this case, I'll create a new string array and make the data source as an string array. Countries. So I have 4 countries in this string countries array. So the first step is creating the adapter view that we need to display our items, the data source, which refers to the collection of data that you want to display using an adapter into the adapter view. And the third step is to create the adapter. The adapter acts as a bridge between the data source and the adapter view. So it's a bridge between the adapter view and the data source. It's responsible for binding the data to the views within the adapter view. Let's create the adapter. Here, I'll start with ArrayAdapter. It's of type string because I am passing here string data. I'll name it as adapter equal to new ArrayAdapter. And I need to pass the parameters here. There are different types of adapters available in Android depending on the type of adapter view you are using. Some common adapters include ArrayAdapter, which is used to bind an array or a list of items to a single view resource. I'll pass the parameters for the ArrayAdapter. The first one is the context or the place where you are. The second parameter is the design for each item or each country name in the list. I'll use a predefined Android layout for the items, which is called simple list item number 1. Later on, where we'll talk about customization of the list views, we'll replace it with our layout, custom layout. The third parameter is the list of countries or the array of countries or the data source you are using. I am using the countries array. Once the adapter is prepared, you associate it with the UI component by calling the setAdapter method on the UI component. In this case, the UI component is a list view. This establishes the connection between the data and the views that will be displayed on the screen. In Android, the setAdapter method is used to associate an adapter with a UI component that displays a collection of data such as ListView, GridView, or RecyclerView. In our example is a ListView. The adapter is responsible for creating and managing the views that represent the individual items in the collection. And here we go. This is our list view. You can see these items. There are 4 items, countries in the data source that are populated in this list view using the adapter.